Okay, so good morning and good afternoon to everyone. Now, so yesterday we talked about Python calculations and these stuffs, right? We learned that how the Python calculation works, okay? How the other things work in Python. Now, today we'll not talk much about the theoretical part. We will learn how we can do drawing in Python. Okay, we will learn
Yeah,
how we can do drawing in Python and also before that we'll talk few things about the how we can use math in Python. So as usual, let's every one of us can open the our idle.
I've done.
Hmm, okay, so every one of you have opened idle. Now there is one important thing in Python which is known as modules. Okay, that is known as modules. Now module is something which is basically, Arjun, can you turn on your video please? Module is something which is basically a package of the things. Okay, it's nothing. Module is what? It's a package. It's a combination of the package of all the code and things. And basically, with the help of those package and those stuffs, what you can do, that you can make use of those package and you can perform the functions. Okay, we'll talk more about modules and all later on, but right now you can understand that there is some module name as math. Math is a module name as math in Python, and to use that module we write like this: import math. Okay, we write like this, and when you do this it will not give you any output. Now let's understand and let's see that if I have to get the square root of 4, there is a function, anything after which if this parenthesis comes na, anything after which any parenthesis comes, that is known as function. Okay, for any variable after which if you apply these parentheses, it is known as function. What is function, we'll talk again after, like not today probably, but in in the session we will talk. Okay, now if whatever inside this we pass the value for which we have to find the square root. Let's say I have to find the square root of 4. So see, the square root of 4 is 2, correct? What is the square root of 16? Yeah, Ira? 4, okay. What is the square root of 25, Ane?
Five.
Ye- Yeah, Ira, yeah, I can see your 5, 5, 5. Okay, great. So, you
No,
guys,
I was actually just raising my hand to ask you a question, but yeah, it is five. But my question is, um,
For me, it doesn't
when
work
you
like that.
okay, I'll take a look, Ane, why it is not working for you.
Okay,
Let's,
I think I know. Wait, now let me run it.
yeah,
don't you need to put the quotation marks? Because like you said that those signals start and stop in a thing
r- uh, yeah, quotation marks for
like this.
like this. Okay, so whenever you are passing any string, then only you have to put quotations.
Oh,
Okay, when I am putting any numbers, then you don't have to do that. Same. Okay. So now here everyone try these steps. Everyone try this. Yeah,
I
Ira.
did. I already did.
I think it
That's why
only
I
works
had the
on a.
question.
Yeah.
I think
It
it
works
only
for
works on, or only on the terminal thing, kind of. Let me just open idle again.
it
Okay. You
worked
are
for
saying.
me.
Yeah, yeah. I know it. Anna, you are saying that if you are working like this, it is not working, right?
Huh?
Huh?
At, at least for me. Let me try.
Yep, yep. So how you are trying? You are trying like this?
Yeah. No, not like that. So you do Control M there. So
Control M,
N, N for
Control
new.
N. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, and then it should bring you to a new thing, right?
right.
Yeah. So Control N, doesn't it bring you to a new Python thing?
And you are saying it is not working, right?
Yeah.
How it will work? You tell me. Are you giving it to see when you are writing the print command, when you are running anything on the terminal, then the scenario is a different. Okay, you are right here. You are running on terminal, so it is storing. But here, if you write like this, see, if you put print, if you put
Wait.
print,
Yeah.
and now if you write like this in the print, save it as.
Hmm.
Now you see I got the output.
Let me try on the terminal. Yeah.
So either you can assign this to some
Not
value.
working. Mine's not working. It is like name error math is not defined.
Did
Yeah.
you wrote did you wrote import math this first statement,
Yeah.
and
Oh, I
after that,
wrote okay, sorry. I wrote nah. My computer was glitching. Okay, let me try this again.
Anna, is it working for you?
Yes. Now it is.
Math.
Great. So
Okay, now it should work. Okay.
so listen here, guys. Now this this is important here. Okay, import math is important here. Similarly, for fractions, we have import fractions. Okay, we have import fractions. Now, if you have fractions, you guys know, right? What is fraction? Can anyone give me example of fraction? Yeah, Ira.
Number.
5 by 3 or 3 by 5.
Okay, yes, Anna, you are saying what is fraction?
Like a divided number.
Divided number. So any
Yeah.
number like that, like so, what we'll do, we'll import this fractions. Okay, now let's say we write f is equal to f dot fraction and 2 comma 5.
I've got something else to say.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
I just wanted to see because it said import math. So I wanted to try if you could do import different subjects. And I tried import history because it was the first thing that came to my mind.
No,
And
no,
if you
no.
type,
So you can't import each and anything. Okay, like
yeah,
if you do import history, so it will not give you like the history subject for you.
yeah,
Okay, so let me explain you the concept. Good
yeah.
question. Basically, what happens? So these modules are what? These are the internal libraries. Okay, these are the internal or inbuilt libraries in Python, right? Which Python has for its own purpose. So it doesn't mean that you will write import English or import history or import this, so it can do anything. Okay, so math is one of the module which is inbuilt in Python, which is already built in, already written in Python, and it has few of the functions, and that has particular syntax. If you write this math dot square root like this, it will not work, right? It will not work. It has to be written in math dot sqrt only. Okay, if you guys have some notepad or something, make a note of this, that sqrt math dot sqrt is a function to calculate this stuff. Hmm, okay, now, yeah, Ane?
Then similar functions like things, but I didn't know mat.sqrt was actual function, so
Yeah,
now I
that
know.
is a function. Yeah. Now let's say if you have to calculate the power, okay, 2 to the power of 5, like this. Guys, see here. So POW is one of the function which is helpful to calculate the power. 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 2 will be what? Yeah, Ira? 4. Okay. Similarly, 2 to the power of 5 will be what? 32. Arjun, are you getting?
Yes. I tried to do the fraction, but it's like it's always giving me an error.
No problem. You can leave the fraction right now. First, let's complete the math. I'll come to fraction. Okay. Ira, you are confused with 2 to the power of 5?
No, that's not it. It's just um when you said import math, doesn't under math come the category fractions? So why do you have to say again import fractions?
Great. So we don't, it's not, so under math, all the fractions are not coming. Means let's say if I say that add three fraction numbers or subtract three fraction numbers, then for that we have a fractions module. It's not that for everything we have a module. For few things we have the modules. So right now let's talk about a few of the things of math. Math has too many functions, among which the first one is the square root through which we calculate the square root, and the second one is the power through which we can calculate the power by using math.pow. And let's say if I do write 3 to the
I
power
didn't
of
hear
45.
anything you said. You just like paused so much.
Sorry.
Not for me.
Yeah, for it says my internet connection's like not good for some reason. I don't know. I'll check.
Could be, I'll repeat it.
Yeah.
So I was saying that math has, we discussed about two functions right now. The one is sqrt and the other one is pow. We have multiple functions in math, so among which pow useful for calculating the power. Okay, for calculating the
Okay.
power it
Yeah.
is useful here. So Arjun, you
Wait.
tried
Like,
this?
let me try it right now.
I did math dot pow, and then I did the two parentheses and then 2 comma 5, and it gave me a trace back error. Can I share my screen?
Not required. Do like this, write import math and then write math dot pow, parenthesis open and close, and 2 comma 4 or whatever you want to do, right like
Like,
this.
okay, let me
And
try.
Arjun, anything is which is there in the parenthesis, this is known as function. So POW is a function. Okay, make a note of this. You guys know about sine theta, cos theta, tan theta?
Oh,
Era,
Wait.
have you heard
Wait. What did
about
you say? Wait.
sine,
What did you
cos,
say?
tan? These terminologies have you guys heard about?
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, so you guys are in sixth or seventh class, right? Seventh standard right now.
Wait, where did you learn such like advanced
Uh,
Python? Or
no, I don't know what those names
Yeah,
both
no problem,
those
no
mean.
problem. I will not discuss then that. You know radians and degrees?
Yep.
like, are we gonna do like math.sin or math.tan?
Yeah, like we can do that also, math dots and math dot tan, but
Oh,
right now we are doing okay, so what is radian, Ira? Yeah.
Radius, you mean?
No, radians. There are two components named as this, radians and degrees. In angles, if in geometry maths you would have
I
studied.
know degrees, I don't know radians.
Okay, no problem, but
Like I've heard the term before, but I don't know what it means.
no problem. So if you have to write something in a degree, let's say 45 degree, so it basically gives you the value of that. Okay, like, so there are a lot of functions. The main one is like which you use most of the time these days is the power function and the square root function. Okay, now Now let's talk about the parent fractions. Okay, let's talk about the fractions.
Okay.
Okay.
What? Wait.
My screen sharing is stopped or what?
Yeah, for me at least.
Yeah, I think for everyone. I'll reshare it.
Now it started.
Okay, now for fraction sides, let's say that if I have to do 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So what would be the answer of this? Yeah, Ira?
6 by 5.
Exactly. Ira is good in maths. So great. Arjun, are you seeing here?
His camera's turned off.
My keyboard isn't typing, so I'm having a little trouble writing this.
No, you don't write this what I have written right now, but you see what I am writing
Okay.
for now.
Yeah.
And now import fractions is there, and finish your breakfast fast, Arjun, okay? So that you can turn on your camera. Import fractions, okay? Now I have to add two numbers. So let's say I will write F1. I'll use this way. First C, okay? Don't write it. Fractions dot fraction. This is the function in the fractions is what? It is a module. In this we have function. So I write numerator and denominator separated by comma. Similarly, I will write here F2 fractions dot fraction, and let's say 4 comma 5. And now if I do F1 plus F2, I get fraction as 6 comma 5. Okay, so which Ira told us. So now see here, this fractions is what? It is a module. Okay, it is a module. Now to add two numbers, we have to define two variables, right? One we have defined as F1 and another variable we have defined as F2. Now in this two variable, we have to define 2 comma 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. These two values we have to define, right? So for this, what we have to do is that F1 is equal to fractions dot fraction. Now fractions is a module name dot the function name. Fraction, like POW was a function. Similarly here, this is a function. Fraction is a function. Okay, and you write your numerator and denominator similarly for this. And now whatever you want to do, you can do with this. If you want to write F1 minus F2, you see this is also working. Any questions in this, Anne? Yeah, Ira.
What's the sign for fraction? Because like how multiplication is like a star and division is a slash. What's the sign
No,
for
no, no.
fraction?
There is no sign in Python for that. That's why you see. That's why they have used this function, fraction.
Oh,
In Python, there is no sign. Normally, in your math, when you write in notebook, you write it like this, na. Let me draw it and show it how you like it. You write it like this, na. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5, right? Arjun, Arjun sir, you are on mute. Yep.
Yeah.
So, are you able to? You have any questions with fractions?
No, I have one question though. How do you draw? Are you using a different thing to draw, or can you draw?
no.
It's built into Python.
When
Yeah,
I know the answer for that too.
yeah. Tell.
When you're sharing your screen and you look at the top, there's an option called pen and it
Right.
helps you draw. You can do it now too. If
Z-
you if if you click on
So
view options and
true.
click annotate.
Annotate, yeah. If you do and if you click on annotate, with
Oh
that you
yeah.
can do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
but nobody can see your screen.
yeah. Now stop playing with this and run the fractions, guys. Okay,
What? Okay.
this is Arjun. This is done.
No, I cannot. I'm still trying to type it. I'm going to try once more.
So can you type in your note in your notes so that you can try it later?
Yeah, I'm going to try it right now, but like I don't. It might work.
What happened?
My keyboard isn't typing too well. Okay, now it is. But so
Okay, so this is about little bit about modules, how you can import, you can play around with these modules. Okay, now there are a lot of functions available. So probably I don't want you to guys to get confused with dot with by letting you guys know that the other functions and all, like we have sine, cos, tan and all, because those when you go ahead further in your standards, you will read about those math functions and all, and that will help you. Rather, here we let's go ahead with these only
You know
with the
what
POW and
math.hypot is?
math dot.
Math.hypot?
I'm sorry, can you repeat it again?
Math.hypot?
Hypot.
Yeah.
Can you spell it?
HYPOT.
HYPOT. Yeah, I have
Yeah.
heard about that. Okay, what it do? Like I don't remember like what it do.
Yeah. It like returns the norm, you know? It returns the function. Okay.
Math dot HYPOD or T.
Yeah. T.
It's not working for me.
You have
You don't know
imported
the
it.
function yet.
Hmm? Oh no, I haven't.
This one,
It's just my
when we
thing is
get
full, so I need to
Is it like this, Anne?
yeah.
Hmm. It is. It written something with that. Not sure. Arjun, we are
Wait,
waiting for you. You have done with the fraction.
it is working now. I'm going to do the second. I'm doing F2 now.
I'm just exploring like math.py. I think that one would be pretty interesting.
Okay, math dot py, right?
Yeah.
It's still not working for me.
Okay, yeah, it worked for me. It worked for me.
Which one is not working for you, Ira?
The F1, the thing. I
The
tried.
fraction.
Yeah, I did the import
I'm
fraction.
Why?
pretty sure you're like spelling it right because
What error you are getting?
I'm getting file yada yada yada. Line 1 in module is attribute error. Module fractions have
Can
no attribute.
okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, one sec. Just my
And
thing is full. My thing is full now.
Wait, what?
I'm just gonna there. Okay, yeah.
and if you type math.py without parentheses, it will give you the value.
Yeah.
I'll show you.
I know.
Hmm.
Wait, what? That was good. It was like should prove.
Okay. The prob you are getting unexpected indent means there is some
Like
problem.
you
You have
just
put
one space like away.
exactly. See, you see the red you see, right? That is the problem.
Yeah.
You have put a
Mm.
space there.
It's not like a major issue where you don't understand. You can't erase that now. You can't erase what you already did. So
Great.
Thank
Similarly,
you.
right? Just paste it here, huh? Just paste that whatever you have copied. Delete, erase this.
Huh?
Yeah, erase this. Huh? Paste. Do control B. Great. Yep. Now just go to there and change it. F1 plus F2. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Now, Ira, let it. Okay, you have stopped sharing. Okay, no problem.
Wait, was
Uh,
I not supposed to? Because I can share it again.
okay, share it again. Arjun, you are good with this, with the fraction?
Yeah.
Great. Now, Ira, share your screen. Okay, Ira, type math
Okay. Math dot
dot pi.
I.
Yep. You see now it shows you the hints, right? That what all
Yeah.
options you can do, right? Enter. Okay, right. Import math. Now write
Yeah.
math.py. So now you guys understand these errors, right? When it says that math is not defined, means it is not able to find this module, right? So you will import that
Yeah. Yes,
module,
I'm supposed.
hmm, and then you write this math.py. So pi value we know, right? 3.14 we remember. When you calculate area of circle, you do right this. Now, Arjun, you got this point?
Yes.
Okay, now Ira, we have to calculate the radius with the help of math.py. Okay, so
Okay.
write r equal to 5.
Yeah, I
Everyone
think I
see
know.
everyone see here at Ira's screen. Write r equal to 5, enter.
Yeah.
Write area equal to math.py
Oh no, my. I have to
pi
get my Python on because it's not working.
into, okay, no problem. Write it again, area equal to
Okay. Area.
Sorry. No,
equal,
my hand hit the enter key
yeah,
when
yeah,
I was
no
trying to
issue,
hit the.
no issues. Area equal to math.py into r, multiply r, enter. Print area, era, parenthesis, where are parentheses?
Yeah.
Parentheses.
Without space, there should not be space between
Didn't.
parentheses and print. Yep.
You forgot to press shift.
Hmm.
Enter.
R times R.
Right
Oh yeah,
now,
because
Yeah.
instead of giving the value of pi, what we have done, we know that the math function is there, so we can write math.py. Okay, we know that we have a math function, we can write math.py. Isn't it, Arjun?
It's not. It's not letting me enter it.
Where?
I need to run Python again. This is like bad. I wrote area.
Should I stop sharing my screen?
Yeah, Ane, are you able to do that?
yeah, yeah.
Great. Arjun, let me know once you are done, so we'll start the drawing. How
Yeah,
many
I'm
of you are interested in drawing?
me.
Okay,
Oh, that's
Ira,
good.
Ane also.
Yeah, I've never done that kind of Python yet.
Okay,
That would be fun.
Okay, wait. Okay, let me do this. Area. Okay, that didn't work. This is bad. This keyboard is like very glitching. No, that's I need.
How about
I,
if someone's right in the chat and you can try it out for yourself?
huh?
Like, if it's,
no, I can't even like I can't type at all.
can you like copy and paste anything?
I don't know. But like probably. Wait, my dad's gonna help me.
Okay, so T color fill tuples.
So there are few things like lists and tuples and
Okay,
maps.
it's
Okay,
pronounced tuples, right?
yeah,
Tuples.
tuples or tuples, anything you can pronounce it. So
That's
we
funny.
pronounce it like a tuples, but like when you go ahead with American English, so probably you will go ahead with tuples. Okay.
Tuple.
So tuple, I know, like it for American English, it sounds a little weird, but
Yeah,
yeah, if you
for
use
you, and then yeah, it sounds weird for both of us. One.
so tuples and maps we will do later, but we'll start with the drawing first. Okay. Arjun, let me know once you are good with this.
Okay, so yeah.
Arjun.
I don't think he's done yet.
He might have gone to get his dad because he said his dad's gonna help him.
No, wait. Remember, like, his dad opened the door and then he turned his camera off, so his dad's probably already in the room, which is what I'm guessing.
Okay. Now stop playing with this drawing and let's try to understand few things.
It's not me, I swear.
Arjun, I know it's Arjun only, no one else. I know it's Arjun, so
What?
don't
How
worry.
do you know it's Arjun like that?
I see. I am the admin, right? I see
Wait,
everything.
so you
Who is
see?
doing what?
Oh, that's cool.
Hmm. Okay. So okay. Now uh, okay. Now
You
there
see
is
from
one module named as turtle. Okay. Turtle. Now turtle is what? It is helpful. It is useful in Python for drawing. Okay. It is useful in Python for drawing anything. Okay. It is useful in Python for drawing anything. Now, as you import math module to perform your mathematical operations or to do this, similarly we import turtle for my drawing. Okay, for my drawing I do import turtle. Now, the another thing is, see, if you have to draw anything here, what you do, you get a pencil, right? You get this pen or pencil, right? And now if I ask you that, okay, draw a square here, okay, if I ask you to draw a square, okay, so no one will draw apart from me, okay. So if I will ask you to draw a square, what you will do, you will create, like you will create this. Now in guys, see one thing here, okay, try to understand few things here. In our computer screen is completely of is made up of small dots. Okay, everything which is there, that is of very small dots known as pixels. Okay, sorry. So it is made up of small dot known as pixels. Now we draw the line of each and every pixels. Okay, we draw this line. Then what we'll do, we will turn left. We'll move left and we'll draw this line. Then we will turn here and we'll draw this line. And then we'll turn here and this, then we'll draw this. So this will be kind of a square. Okay, not exact square I have created, but it will kind of a square. Now, similarly in Python, when you want to draw a square, okay, if you want to draw a square in Python, what you are going to do, you have to bring a pen in Python. Okay, you have to bring a pen. For that, we define this in any variable you can define, and this pen p will be capital. Okay, pen p will be capital, and you write turtle dot pen. And now let's say if you do print t, nothing happens. Sorry, nothing happened. Okay, so remove forget about this. This is something different. Okay, let's not discuss about this right now. Yeah, you see here, As soon as you do turtle.pen, this another screen opens and this pen is here, right? Guys, don't write anything right now. Ane, don't write anything right now. Okay, Arjun, you also don't write anything. Or turn on your camera, Arjun. Okay, and no problem. You can eat with. We will not take your food. Eat. Okay. So, fine. Yep. Great. Now, import turtle. Turtle is what? Turtle is a module to draw anything. Okay. Now, turtle.pen to draw anything in a notebook or this, anything what you do, you write, you take pencil or you take a pen. So here in Python, it is pen. Now you use turtle dot pen. Pen is what again? This is my function, right? With capital P. You will these two lines will always be there whenever you want to draw anything. Now to draw a square, let's say I say here t dot forward 5. This 5 is pixels, means move 5 pixels forward. Yeah, ne?
I was just saying 5 pixels forward.
Yeah. So move 5 pixels forward. Let's see what is going to happen. Right now there is nothing here. Okay. As soon as I put t dot forward 5, oh, okay, 5 is very, very small. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me open one more screen and I have to see the command to clear these things. Okay, I'll do import turtle. Okay. Now I will do t equal to turtle dot pen. Okay. Now you see, as soon as I did this, this pen came here, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'll write t dot forward. Let's say I write 50. Now you see it has created one line with 50, right? Now to draw a square, what I have to do, if I can move this cursor, this pencil to left, right? And now see here one thing. I have to move this left by, this is right now it is like this. I have to go like this to draw. I have to draw my cursor. Everyone see here. Okay. My cursor is here. I It's in this direction. Okay, it's in this direction. I have to draw this line. For this to draw this line, I have to move my cursor to this, right? I have to move it to left to 90-degree. Okay, so to move it to left or this, and I have to move it to 90-degree, so I'll move it 90-degree. Now you see the cursor position has been changed here, right? Now if I write t dot forward, again I write 50. Now you see it has drawn one line here. Now where I want to move it, again I want to move it to left, right? Let's see what will happen if I move it to left. If I move it to left by 90-degree, 90-degree means straight, right? Like this. You see it moved to again to this line where I have to draw. Again I will write t dot forward 50. It has drawn this. Now what I have to do, I have to move it to down, right? I have to turn it down. So again I'll do left 90. You see it turn, and again I do t dot forward 50, and now you see it has completed this square. And if I have to hide this, now if I have to hide this pen, I'll write hide turtle. I'll write hide turtle, and it has drawn this pen, this square here. Okay. Now I'll give you time to draw all these things. Arjun, just focus here. Now for these things, you see what I have done. I have imported a module turtle which is helpful for drawing anything. Okay. Now there is a module turtle dot pen which basically allows you to create a drawing. Okay, which allows your cursor to create a drawing. Now you can move that pen either forward or backward, right? Forward or backward. To turn around, you can move it to left side or right side in a different angles, whatever angle you want to turn around. Square, if you guys know maths and all, so with help of maths, you know that all the angles of square will be at 90 degrees, right? All the angles of square are at 90 degrees, so we have turned it around 90 degrees until we can able to form up this picture. Okay, now see one more thing here. So you see, if you move it to left of 0, nothing will happen. 45, it will move like this. 90, it will like this, and different angles it is showing that how it will move. And you can move to right also. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, that will work before if I will write. Okay, now, so can everyone try to draw the square now? Now everyone try to draw a square.
If I want to make the like go like only 45 degrees, I do turtle t dot left 45 like in parentheses, but it doesn't work for me.
Why?
I do t dot uh left and then in parentheses 45.
Yeah, it worked for me.
It didn't work for me for some
What
reason.
you have written above that?
I did import turtle t equals turtle dot pen and then double parentheses.
And then
And then I'm writing t dot left
45.
is 45.
Yeah, after that write t dot forward.
It says trace back most recent call last.
You have written t dot left in small.
Um yeah, and then 45 in parentheses.
And what is the error? Can you paste the error in the chat?
Can I share my screen? I don't. Okay, I will paste it. Okay, wait. See? Oh wait.
Can you write t dot forward and then you write t dot left? See, you have not moved your cursor anywhere, okay? That is why you are getting the error.
Wait, what do I need to do?
Write t dot forward
Okay.
50 and then do t dot left. It will work.
T dot for.
The reason it didn't work because you haven't uh, basically you haven't created anything, right? To what you want to turn around.
It still didn't work.
Now share
There's
your
no attribute forward.
screen. Ira, is it going good? Ane?
Okay. See, I do T dot
Hmm.
forward.
That's why I ask every one of you to focus here. The reason because I told that two times I repeated this thing that pen P will be capital.
It doesn't look like capital on your screen though.
Is it?
Let me see.
Now see, does it look like capital or not?
My screen is small. My screen is small.
Okay, try it in pen capital and then do. Ira done. Good.
Okay.
You're okay. Now after that, now Arjun will take again another 10 minutes to complete this. What
Wait.
Arjun?
T equals.
Ira write t dot reset this command and try to draw something else also with some different angles and stuff. Try to
Okay.
draw a snowman.
Oh, I made it like double. Okay. So now I do.
How do you get to the actually the Python draw graphics or something?
Yeah,
Okay, it worked now. There we go.
Arjun, you have to draw a square only, okay? So if you
Oh,
want to play, then I'll give you a time to play. But
I need
right
to.
now I want everyone to complete the square so that I can move ahead with other things.
Okay, wait. I need
Wait,
to complete.
how do you get to the Python draw graphics?
How do
Huh?
you get to draw graphics? I didn't got your question, sorry.
Like when you run the thing, there's like a thing behind the screen, the graphics, like where you actually draw the thing. How do you get there?
Okay, this screen which is coming.
Yeah, how do you do that? Yeah, Python turtle graphics.
No,
How
it
do
is
you get
coming on
there?
its own. As
What?
soon as you draw, as soon as you draw on the pen, as soon as you write t equal to turtle dot pen, it will open on its own. Do alt tab, you will see it.
Okay, wait. No, wait. Let me try. Wait.
So when you draw the square, you didn't saw it.
No,
So now I do.
Are you writing in that notepad kind of a file?
no. I'm writing in the Python. Wait, let me. I think I know what it is. If I don't know, import.
So Ira, you were able to see right that this.
It still doesn't work.
Share your screen.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Arjun, I'll give you 2 more minutes. That's it.
Okay.
Until the time I'm resolving an issue. After that, I'll start with another topic.
Am I sharing it?
Yeah,
No.
please share.
Am I? Oh, I'm not sharing it. Okay. Yeah. So this is my screen. Did I do anything wrong?
Yeah, you have to write t equal to turtle dot pen, not t dot. And after pen, you have to write parenthesis also. T equal to, and after write pen parenthesis because pen is what? It is a function.
Okay, now let me run it.
And you have written begin fill, end fill also.
Oh yes.
Coming?
I did it. This is like the first time this ever happened. Thank
Hmm.
you.
Great.
Yay.
Arjun?
Yeah, wait, almost.
Okay, after that, now we'll see how we can draw circle. Okay, in another 1 minute, and then and then also we'll see how we can add the colors. Okay, how we can add the colors and how we can draw the circle, so that you guys will draw the snowman in your assignment. Okay, your
What about the
assignment.
other Python assignment and the Excel thing?
Excel and that thing too, you have to give it on 24th, right?
Yeah, I know, but
And
like, what about the
uh,
other Python
the
assignment?
other Python assignment, the string one which we discussed yesterday, what the print percentage placeholder one, that I will tell you today that how to do that. So I'll give you that also. So
Yeah,
you
do
can
the
give
square.
the assignment once you are free. You are
How do you
done?
remove the pen? How do you remove the pen?
T dot hide turtle with parenthesis.
Oh, wait. What do you do in parentheses? Hide? Turtle?
Hide turtle and parenthesis. That's it. Yeah, Ira.
Never mind.
Okay, I do the square.
No, I was just wondering how long is the class going to go today? Because last time it went till 2:30. Is it like 2:30 again? Or
No, no,
Probably
not
earlier because it's a Sunday and tomorrow's a work day for him.
true. So in another 30 minutes we'll finish it.
It's Monday at his place. So.
no, cause yeah, in another 30 minutes it'd be 2:30 for me.
Oh, in another 30 minutes it will be 2:30 for you.
Cause right now it's 1:58, which is
Okay, so
basically
you have
2.
to go somewhere at 2:30? No?
No, I don't. I was just wondering.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, like it
Oh,
will take another 30 minutes probably because we have to write the
Yeah.
coloring part and all. And I want to show you one spiral thing so that you can try that.
It's
Remember last time
1:59,
we
right?
saw the spiral and all that.
oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
Wait, why is
Arjun,
why? Wait,
Arjun, you are done?
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, Ane?
why is my square like filled and it has another like thing? Like you see, on my Python, it's like if like it's like the the thing is like filled. It's like filled and then like it's like all black and then there's a line.
Because you have written that T dot begin fill, right? And after that you forgot to put the color. I'll tell you that how that has to be done now. Everyone close that idle and open new idle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Got it.
Got it.
Now, focus here what I am teaching and then do the same thing afterwards. Now, let's say I want to draw the square only or I want to draw the circle only, but I want to fill some color in it, right? I want to fill some color in it so that it looks good. Now, for that, what I will do, I will first, I'll write, as I have opened new sessions, I'll write import turtle. I'll write turtle.pen. As soon as I have written pen, you see I got this screen. Now, my another thing is that I have to fill some color. Okay, I have to fill some color before starting drawing. Before drawing. So I'll write fill color. Let's say blue is my favorite color. So I'll write blue. Okay. And I'll put enter. And now I'll write begin underscore fill, which will means that it start filling it. Now I have to draw the circle of radius 10. Okay, I have to draw the circle of radius 10. You see this has changed to blue now. As soon as I did this, you see a circle of radius 10 has been drawn. Okay, let's increase the radius. T dot circle, let's say 100. Now you see. Now you see on top of that 10, this 100 has been drawn. Now if I want to clear this image, what I'll do, I'll write T dot reset. I'll dot T dot reset. It will clear this entire image and I can draw a new circle with 100 and you see it has drawn this circle. Now, if I don't want to do anything now, so I can do t dot end fill. Means this will stop filling and
How do you make the insides get like blue if you want the insides to be blue?
Oh.
hmm.
Wow.
Okay, now see here what we have done. Imported this turtle module, turtle.pen, fill color blue. I wanted to fill color whatever color I wanted. I will start filling. I'll write begin fill to start filling. I'll write t dot circle. Whatever the radius, circle will always be of any particular radius, right? So I'll write that particular radius and I will do end fill. If I will not write fill color, guys, see here one thing. Instead of fill color, if I write t dot color and if I write yellow here, let's say, okay. So, and now if I do t dot circle of 50 or let's say 655, you see, here this yellow line is coming in. Are you able to find it?
Yeah.
Hmm? So if you write color, it will draw the boundary only with that. But if you write fill color, it will fill that entire,
Okay.
circle. Okay. So to fill color first, before drawing, you have to write fill color. You have to start filling it, draw whatever you want, and then you do this. Be focused here also. I want to see one more show one more thing. Now I have cleared this thing. Okay. Now I'll write, let's say the t dot fill color. Okay, I'll not take much of time in this. I'll write yellow. Now I'll write t dot begin fill. Now I'll write t dot forward 50, t dot left 50, sorry 90.
Oh, so cool.
Now you see, I can fill this square with the same way. What I have done here, I have fill color yellow, started filling, and then I have drawn the square, and at the end I have written end fill. Right? Now you guys can do and can create your own design.
Wait, can I share my screen for a sec?
Yep.
Okay, see, look.
Ira, you are
Look,
done. You are doing this.
so if you do
Arjun,
I need to go back to your screen, like for 1 minute.
share,
1 minute.
I'll reshare. If you do like even dark blue, and then
Hmm.
you do run, let me see, and then see, look, it even does a dark blue. It even like modifies it.
Oh,
Isn't that cool? It's kind
Yeah.
of cool, right?
okay. Now I
Yeah.
think this. Enter.
Let me try it. Wait. Okay, should I
Equals.
stop scaring?
Yeah, yeah, you can, you
You're
can.
just scaring me.
I want to see
Okay.
what Ira is drawing.
Um,
It seems Ira is feeling sleepy.
yes. Hello.
No? Okay. Arjun?
No.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm done.
darn it.
Can we make our
Is
own
it
design?
like time for to like sleep in the afternoon or something?
Does it have to be a circle?
No, no, you can draw anything. Now you guys try to draw snowman in assignment.
Okay. Let's see. I will draw a snowman. Okay. Okay.
How do you draw a snowman? Don't you have to do circles one on top of another?
Okay. So.
Yeah, you can do that also, right?
So
One circle on top
cool.
of another.
Mm,
No?
So
See, it's all the
cool.
imagination. You have to see normally, let me show you. Like let me try my bad snowman, which I like can make with drawing here. Let's say you are trying to draw it here with this circle, and let's say I want to create one this line and one this line. Okay. Like this a very bad snowman, and it has some like here two eyes, this eyes, and one here
What?
nose, and one smiley. Okay. Let's say if I have to draw
Oh.
this. Okay. So don't laugh it. But
Okay, I will laugh.
now if I have to do this kind of a figure, what I'll do, I'll first draw a circle, right? With T dot circle, I will draw a circle. Now, if my cursor is here, okay, what I have to do that I have to basically take my cursor, rotate it to 90 and 45 like that degrees, and I need to bring it here so that I can draw this line here, right? It's a bit tough because you have to play around with that by T dot left 90, 45 or 180. If you are cursor is here and if you do 180, it will come here, right? Let's try. Let me try this, okay? Let me delete first this rubbish drawing and let me try this. So, so let's do here. Let me do T dot reset here. Okay, let's say that I have drawn T dot circle of 50. Now you see this 50 is there, and now my here my circle is ended. Now here if I want to draw line, so I want to draw this line down, right? So I'll write T dot down, or I'll write T dot left 90. It's not you see with T dot left 90 I see that it will draw anything above. So what I'll do, I'll draw T dot left 180. Now you see anything I will draw, it will draw down. Now I have to draw the straight line. So with straight line means T dot forward 50, right? So you see it will 50. I have to I want to make it more big, so T dot forward more 50.
Um, one more thing. How do you save it? How do you
Yeah.
save your drawing?
So you have to save your program actually. Okay. Now now that's the next part which I was going to talk about. That now this we saw this in the terminal. Now everyone try this the same thing on file, new file, and yesterday you guys remember, right? We did control N, file, new file, and write here like this. In every file you have to write like this, import turtle. Okay. Now t equal to turtle dot pen t dot
Can't
circle.
you just copy and paste?
Haha, you can do that like this. Like if you copy paste like this, now it will give you that also.
Wait, what do you press to get it? Is it Control G?
What to this screen? Control N.
Okay.
Now you do like this and you remove this spaces. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
And now let's say I will save it with circle
Uh-huh.
and then run the module.
But it mine all closed.
What you did?
Like you just did run and then mine closed and then the Zoom closed. Okay. For some reason, that was weird.
Or you can do one more thing. Wherever you have saved that file, let's say I have saved it here, and if you just double click there, now you see that it will make it there also for you.
This is not working.
Share
I
your
did.
screen.
No, I'm just try. I'm still writing my. I'm doing my shape. Oh, what happened? Like it is like fill color is not defined.
See, the problem is you haven't put t dot fill color.
Oh,
You always have to define with t dot, okay, whatever you have written there. Or if you write r equal to turtle dot pen, then you will write r dot.
I just write. I'm just going to get a new one.
So Ira, are you able to? Yeah.
No, for the snowman, how do you draw the eyes and the nose inside the circle?
Python inside the.
How do you draw the eyes and the nose of the snowman inside the circle?
Yeah, so I have to take that pointer, na, to, like I have to move that t dot left 135, 140 like that. So it will come inside the circle. Let's try that. Good question.
And are you gonna send this video to like our parents? Cause
Yeah, all the videos are there.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do here import t equal to turtle dot pen. Now let's say I have defined t dot circle 50. You are saying that you want to go inside this, right? So t dot left 135. If I have to go inside it, I write t dot right 135.
Wait, do you do begin fill or like what do you do to begin it?
Yeah, begin underscore fill.
Yeah, that didn't work for me. I did begin underscore fill.
Hmm?
See, it did this.
What you write?
I did begin underscore fill and then it didn't work.
After that, what you have written?
That's the thing I wrote and then it says trace back error.
Did you wrote t dot begin underscore fill? No, na?
No.
That's why I say focus here when I am teaching. So if you see what I am teaching and if you write in that way, it will be good. I'll share these programs with you guys, okay? In the drive, I'll share these programs with you guys so that you guys can do. I'll tell you there is a way actually through which we can go inside this. Okay, we can. So what you can do now, if you want to create one more circle, let's say of 10.
and does our snowman have to be straight? Can they be like tilted?
Yeah, it can be anything.
And
You can
like
do that.
like that?
Yeah, it can be. It can be anything. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's see here the new thing. Okay, guys, that is
Okay.
You just
another.
paused again. Could you please like tell? You just paused again. Like you paused.
No.
Not for
I'm
me.
there. Okay,
No,
your
what did you
network.
say? Wait, what did you say? You just paused.
Yeah, I'm saying that let's try the new thing. Let's try how to create a spiral. Okay.
Oh,
Hmm.
yeah.
Now, this time I'm going to try this in the new file and I will be saving it. I'll be using import turtle t. Let's say I'm using R so that you guys should not confuse that I can use anything here. Now I have to create a spiral, right? I have to create a spiral. Hmm. Now to create a spiral, what I will be doing, I'll be telling you guys afterwards that what do we mean by this. But right now you think that we write something like this. Now to create spiral, what will happen? That you create some row here, one line here, okay, and you keep on rotating it till 90 degrees. So let's say I ask you that, okay, create one line, make one straight line, move 90-degree, keep on doing like this till 100 times. Okay, so this is the way to write anything, to do any operation till 100 times. This is the way to do anything till 100 times. So let's say I write 90 and I save it as square spiral in my desktop.
Did squared spiral.
Yeah, that's okay.
Wait, am I lagging or anything?
Now you look fine, man.
Okay, good. I got the issue. So the problem is that I have messed with. So here you see I have written R and I have here written this, right? That is the issue. You see,
Wow, that looks
That's
cool.
cool. But what happens when it runs out of space?
no, it will not run out of space. I have given the condition there that it will draw only 100 lines. I have given a condition that it will draw only 100 lines. So I'll explain you this code again. I'll share you guys this code. Don't write anyone. I'll share you guys, copy and paste it. I have these two lines are same. Okay. Instead of T this time I'm using R just to tell you guys that this T is not common. You can use any variable name. In that variable name I have assigned this value. Okay. To draw. Now
So
there is some,
if you say infinite lines, will it go infinite lines?
yeah. So
Okay.
I'll tell you how you have to control and how you have to do this. Now, there is something known as loops in Python. Okay, we'll talk about those loops in Python. We'll talk about later on. But this is known as loops. Range is 100, means it will draw 100 line. If you here write 500, okay, and what it's saying that each time move every one step, okay, x dot forward 1 and r dot forward x, r dot left 90. Let me keep back it to T so that you guys will not confuse. Okay, T and this, and now if I run it, so it will create for the 500 line, it will create a more
Oh,
bigger, okay, it will create it at a more bigger one. Now let me improvise it a little bit more, and so that you can get something new. Okay, and then we'll see what can be done.
you never send us
Yeah.
the calculate thing. Or like
I've never sent.
you didn't.
I'm sorry.
You never sent us the code to make like spiral.
Yeah, I will share. I'll share. Wait, hold on.
Posting it in the chat.
I'll do that. I'll do that. Just give me a moment. Now you can control this speed also. Okay, you can control this speed by giving the speed.
Boom.
Okay, and by the way it is drawing that, and you can write the color. Okay, let's say if I write the color as red like this. Okay, and if I run it again, now you see, okay, it is coming in the red color. Okay, till
Whoa.
500. Don't try to do with a very big number and all. Okay, it will like you might end up with something different. Now now everyone hold on here. Okay, don't, I'm going to show you something more amazing. Okay, so if you want to see more amazing, so don't do, just
Oh, oh,
let it be like this. Okay, don't copy it like that. I'll show you something amazing so that you guys try that. Okay, I've shared you the code there. Now, let's say,
Wait, so we don't save this code?
okay, you can save it in your, fine, fine. Okay, you guys save it first and try if it is running for you guys or not. Meanwhile, I'll write the other code.
Okay, let me go. Mm. It's not working for me. Control N is not working for me.
Where you have written control and on the turtle window, right?
No, no. How do I get to like that screen you are
Go
in?
to idle, go to open idle,
Yeah, yeah.
in idle, open, in idle,
Yeah.
type,
I got it. I got it. Okay. And then do I save? How do I save it?
do control S and it will be saved.
How do I save it into my files?
That's what,
Oh,
do.
okay. Yeah.
Ira, is it working for you? Are you able to run it? Or you didn't try it? You're on mute, Ira.
Okay, let's
I
see.
haven't really tried yet.
Okay, no problem. Ane, is it working?
Yes.
Great. Okay, now let's focus here. Arjun, hold on. Whatever you are doing, put your fingers away from keyboard and see here. Now I want to draw the same thing with different colors, with red, yellow, blue, green. Okay, with different colors. Now, in that case, what all things is written here, I'll explain you afterwards because we have to talk about all these steps, how it is being done. Okay. But today I wanted to make you guys like not feel bored of it, the same theoretical part, and so that's why we came up with this drawing part here, and we have put this kind of way. Okay. Now I run it. Okay. Let me run it. And now you see we have a different colors in it.
Whoa.
How do you make it multicolor?
This is multicolor.
Tell anyone to this guy how I made it multicolor. I have defined here. That's what I was telling while we were busy drinking water.
But is this a set, like a Frozen set or something?
Yeah,
It's a Frozen set or a set?
it's a coding.
No, like when you said color, there has to be like some kind of set, like in the
It's a
different kinds
list.
of.
It's a list.
Yeah, it's a list. I knew it.
Yeah, it's a list. So I'll talk about all these terms like what is list and all. So we define these steps. So you will get understand that how you write code more properly. But for now, everyone try this one. Meanwhile, show you guys something different.
Should
Another.
we open idle?
Yeah, like open idle, do control N, copy this code.
The one that you just sent?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, can I share my screen for a sec?
Hmm.
Wait, so I'm sharing my screen, right? So like I think like it goes a little too far outside because like think like see look it's like if you do I think it stops until like you go
You're not
to the
sharing
part
the thing. Oh yeah, now
uh,
you are.
it goes like a little too far, right? If you
Yeah.
go
Do one thing in that. Reduce the range. If it will go behind beyond that range, you will not able to see that, right?
wait, how is the color red? Did you put the color red?
Yeah, I put the color red right in the
Wait,
code.
which? Oh yeah. Okay,
E-
so we have to make a list.
Arjun, yeah, Arjun, are you able to execute this? Run this.
I need to find where I left, where I
Put
put the
window. You remember the file name, whatever the name you gave.
yeah, okay, yeah. But I
Okay,
forgot I
1 minute
put it
here.
in more
Um,
PC drive or
how do
something.
you once you save the file? How do you like run it. Do you like
Go to run module.
instead? I'm having a
No, that is
minor setback.
Okay, no problem. Ira, share your screen. Let me resolve the issues of each and every one of you one
No,
by
it's
one.
not an issue. I'm just trying to close all the tabs that I've opened. So
Arjun, you share your screen.
fine.
Meanwhile,
I cannot find where I left it.
no issue, Arjun. You share your screen. I'll help you with everything.
Okay.
Quickly share your screen.
it's not opening.
Okay, can you share?
Okay, just give me a couple of minutes, Ira. Arjun,
Oh,
open the idle.
oh, idle. Oh, idle is. Okay, I need to share it on the
The
idle.
screen is like kind of
No,
small.
Wait,
it's
what?
already there. It's already you are on there. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, click Control N. Press
Control N.
Control N. CTRL and N. Huh. Copy paste that command, that code which I have given.
No, I. Okay, please.
Copy paste it. What I am doing, follow that. Okay, do one thing. How you have copied? Okay, after import turtle, go to format.
Who's.
Click on word wrap.
Wait.
Format. 1 second. Click format paragraph.
Found it where I messed up. I need to redo it now.
Okay, I put it.
1 minute. Go to format. Type. Okay, leave it this. Um, this after turtle, put enter. Enter. After pen, enter.
After pen.
Enter. After speed 0, enter.
Oh.
Now before blue, press backspace. Great. After T, after for X in range 100, press enter. For X in range 100, Arjun.
Wait,
After
what?
for X in range 100, huh?
Oh,
No, 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 Arjun, Arjun, wait, wait. Before T dot pen color, press enter.
okay.
Now before T dot forward, press backspace. Enter. Now after before T dot left, press enter.
I don't have T dot. Oh, no. I don't have T. Oh, okay. Before it.
Before T, enter. Okay, Control S. Save it. Save the file. Control S. Give name.
Quick access. Okay.
Give some small name. Okay. And every time, whenever you guys give the name, don't give the name with spaces.
Oh, okay.
Give the name with underscore. Now save it on your desktop so that you can find it next time.
I put it in quick access.
Save it on desktop.
Where's this?
Save this file. Go to run. 1 minute. 1 minute. Run. Module.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it.
See it? Great.
Yeah.
Please stop sharing. Ira, share your screen. You are done.
Okay. No.
Share your screen,
For some
please.
reason it's not working for me.
No problem. We'll solve
So I
it.
have to get rid of it and I have to redo.
Huh?
That's it.
Do Control N. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Go to format. Press the first option. Format paragraph. Oh, okay. No problem.
I have to
Do
be
do one thing, Ira. After
there.
before T, hit enter. No, after import turtle, hit
Yeah,
enter.
no.
Now before t dot speed, before color,
No.
blue backspace, add blue backspace. Yep. Now before t dot forward backspace.
Wait, which one?
Yeah, before t dot forward backspace, backspace. Enter. Same for t dot left, backspace and enter. Save it.
How? Like, do you just go to File and Save, Desktop? It says Python files.
Yeah, that should be Python files only. Let it be that. Just give it any name.
Uh, no spaces, right?
If you want to give space, give underscore.
Whoa. Okay. Wait, guys. Wait, multicolor.
Save it.
Yeah.
Run module.
Oh.
Cool. Now let's please stop sharing. The last one I will tell.
Can I show you something?
No,
Wait, can I just show you something very
Haha,
quickly?
1 minute. Okay. What
Yeah.
happened, Ina?
It's like, I just need to get rid of this for the time being.
You?
Okay.
Yeah,
If I
now just
click
double
on
click.
this, oh, yeah, normally that didn't work. But
Yeah.
I don't know how you do the normal one.
Okay.
What?
You want to do the?
Never mind. That's good.
Okay, wait.
So get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, please don't tell me that's actually. No. No. Okay, no.
Yeah, okay, no issues, no issues. Ane, you can share your screen. You will be
Yeah, that's not
automatically stopped.
working.
Mhm.
There.
So if
Finally.
you do this, it just gives an amazing output. This is just an amazing out. Arjun, look at this. See, look. And then yeah, and then see, look at this. I did 900. It actually gives like this amazing spiral output thing. And isn't that cool?
Yes, that's cool.
Yeah, I
That's
just
great.
did. Okay, now I'll stop sharing. Oh.
Okay, great. Okay, let me show you guys another cool thing. Okay,
That's amazing.
now the same thing. I'm just drawing the circle. Okay, rather than using other things, I'm just drawing the circle and I'm running it. And now say this.
Woohoo!
Okay, I've created this ring. Let me increase it bit more.
Try 90.
Okay, so I'll share you this. You guys can uh, run it
Yeah.
accordingly and just tell me if you guys are good with this. Okay,
Did you
try to
send?
copy this in notepad first, right guys, and then do then copy there so that the formatting will be there. Arjun, try to do this.
Yeah, I am. And then I got it here. Down.
Sorry, Arjun's brother is just at my house and he's making a lot of noise.
Okay,
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're really close. So his brother
Wait,
like comes to.
but no, wait. I need to share my screen. Let me know what this one.
okay, so great. So as we learned about the turtle, how we can do the drawings, we learned about the maths and these stuffs. Okay, and so let's quickly wind up the session by asking each and every one of you what you like and what you didn't like it. So let's start with Ane.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, I like the session a lot. like I saw Python, and then I even got to try out some new functions, math functions. So that's what I like the most. And yeah, it's a good time. And
Okay.
drawing Python. So yeah,
Yeah. So
and I
drawing in
never
Python
done this
Turtle.
kind of Python. Yeah,
Yeah. And you can try more things by doing the Google and these stuff. So
just
like how
curious.
you can draw, how you can make use that. What else you can use in via the turtle? What else you can draw via the
Just
turtle?
curious. Wait, just curious. Why do you always go with me first?
Sorry.
Just curious. Why do you always go with me first? Is it like the first in your screen, or
Yeah, like kind of that you are following this structure. So let's
like
go with Ira. You're on mute.
I learned that how to do spiral. I learned how to do art on Python, which was actually nice because I never knew it was so simple to do that. That was so complicated.
Yeah, yeah,
Um, I enjoyed the fact that we got to learn how you draw on Python. So now instead of drawing on a piece of paper, you could draw virtually.
exactly. That's true.
And when your parents say go on something other than your screen, or draw something, just go onto your computer and draw.
True,
Free
right. So you
time.
can write the Python code and you can draw it, as well as rather than using the paint. Now instead of using a paint, you can use the Python turtle, and you can look for the more cool features of turtle on by doing the Google. Okay.
I got Arjun ko hindi.
Yeah, let's come to Arjun and see
Now,
what is it today is
I
in
like, I
his
like to
notes.
draw. It was fun. Like I like that you can like program something. It's hard to program, but you can easily draw it. It looks easy, but usually like I did FLL and I didn't exactly like it that much. I enjoyed to program and our team was very wild, but still like I was happy, and this thing was like taking it to a whole nother level. I really like drawing on Python. Like it was fun, like good
Great,
fun.
great. So I say you guys that to start doing this. Okay. So start doing all this stuff.